Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on PC or laptop. First, open any browser of your choice. I'll open Google Chrome and then search for CapCut for PC. Now the first one is their website, but we don't want to click that. What we need to click is CapCut for PC download, the second one in here. Click on this. And then in here, you'll see an option to select any version that you want. So we'll select the CapCut 1.30 because that's the latest version. And then on the right part of your screen, you'll see in here free download. So click on this. Close this one. Close any ads that you'll see because they're just ads on the website. And then click start download. Now you'll just need to wait for this to be fully downloaded. Now once you're seeing that it's completely downloaded, click on this. You may now close the browser or just minimize it if you want. Right, there will be a pop-up in here and then just check the box where it says agree with CapCut and then click install now. As you can see, it's already installing on your PC. And then you'll see an option to click start now. Click on this. Now it says your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Confirm. And there you go. You already have installed CapCut on your PC. You may now click on start creating in order for you to start creating any videos that you want to edit on CapCut. And that's it. And that's how to download CapCut on PC or laptop. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.